Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can group rows in Excel. So here in our example, we just have some sales data. We have the store or location and the revenue that location did each month. Now obviously we have these green bars here that represent Q1, January through March, Q2, April through July, so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to group these quarters together in order to allow us to view them or not. Now I'm going to show you kind of what that means and how you can group these. So the first step you need to do, you simply need to select cells in the rows that you're trying to group. So in this case, we can select the months here, or we could select this entire data, we could select this here, just a cell within that row. So we'll select these here. Now go up to the data ribbon and then go over to outline here, hit the drop down, and then select group. Now if you hit this drop down here at group, you can tell Excel to automatically do that for you, but what I found is that it often comes up with errors. So if you're dealing with lots of data that you want to group, you can try it out, but you want to verify that Excel did it correctly. So in this case, we can just hit group, and we want to group the rows. We'll hit OK, and then we'll add this little sidebar. Now if we hit this minus sign, it will remove that group from our view. So it will hide quarter one. Now if we do that for quarter two as well, go to outline and hit group, rows, OK, and hit that, then we can hide quarter two as well. And I'll just quickly do that for each of these as well. And again, you can select the cells anywhere you like, and we can then hide all of those quarters data. So if we want to see quarter two's data, we'll just hit this plus sign and it will show us Q2's sales data. And there you have it. That's how you can group rows together. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.